Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you the interface of one of the best builds out there. So all you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, as I will be showing you the interface of this build, and then only the interface in this build. Okay, if you want to know how to have this build on your device, please check out the comment section. I will be dropping a link on how to have this particular build on your device. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So as you can see from the screen, you will see search, movies, shows, one click, free, sports, live, favorites, add-ons, settings, quit. On the add-on section, you will find this, and then settings you find this, and the settings section you find the interface services, player, media settings, account, all of them. Then on this, then come down to quit, you find this, and then favorites, you find this. Then on live, you find this, the live. Then sports, you find this, and then free, you find this, and then you find this. So it's quite easy. All you have to do is make sure you watch it, just check it out. So these are the contents of this particular build. So let's check out the settings and check out the interface. Let's check out the interface. Let's see what the interface have to offer. Have the interface, and then have general control. These are the contents, you see. So yeah, so these are the contents of this particular build. So check out the comment section, as I'll be dropping a detailed guide on how to have this particular build on your device. So let me know guys' thoughts in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.